Adam with ND72. Thanks for coming to the channel. As you can probably tell from the title, we're going to do a giveaway today. It's going to last roughly 1 month, and it's going to go until September the 20th. And what we're giving away is a brand new, bam, Dragy. All right, guys? So if you guys don't know too much about what the Dragy is, it's a little GPS thing that you could put right in your car. It'll tell you your 0 to 60, your quarter mile times. It'll tell you your 0 to 130, your 60 to 30s. It's got all these cool features on it where you could actually record and it'll show your G's in one corner. It'll show your mile per hour, show you your times. And you could actually log on there and do some virtual racing with people where you could upload your videos and it'll do a lot of cool stuff. They've been around for about 1.5 years now, probably a little bit longer than that. It's an inexpensive way to get some of your numbers, and it's supposed to be between 1 and 100th of the time. When I went to the track and I tried them out, they're almost dead on to what you actually hit in the quarter mile. It is pretty effing accurate, and it's a fun, easy way to see how much fast you're going and all that stuff if you can't make it to the track. Now, I do not condone using this on public roads if you're going to go over the speed limit of 60 and so on and so forth. As saying that, we all know what everyone does. So, we got the giveaway that we're going to be starting today. So what you get is a brand new Dragy, never opened, never nothing, in the box. And what it looks like this. This is my personal one that I've been rocking out for over like 1 year and change. See, it's not really that beat up. Pretty cool. It's magnetized. You just put it, sticks right to your car. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you how it works and all that stuff and all the cool features. But right now, I'm going to tell you how you're getting a chance to win the Dragy that I'm giving away. So we're going to do it in a couple ways. So you just basically got to like and subscribe to my videos and all that stuff. Go on my Instagram at Buffy CLK55. Make sure you're following me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And every comment you do and every like you do is going to be one entry to do this. The other way to get into there is to buy one of my shirts. Now, as you see, I got ND72 shirts. I'll show you what they look like right here. So I got a limited run of them. I got a few sizes of medium, small, large, and extra large. Basically say, what the hootenanny, no speed limit on the back. They're pretty good quality. I mean, I work in this shirt. I do like a lot of stuff in my car. Oil gets on it, and it's washed like 20 or 30 times. As you can see, it's not fading, nothing at all. So pretty good quality. I'm going to do them for $20, and that's with it shipped to your house. And every shirt you buy is going to be 10 entries towards it. Another big benefit is I'm a really effing small YouTuber and all that stuff. Like, I don't have that many subscribers. So there's a very good chance if you just buy a shirt and you're subscribed and you comment and all that stuff and you're on my Instagram and all that stuff, a very good chance you'll get it. Because I don't see a lot of people entering. But for me, if I just get a couple more subscribers and stuff like that, perfect for me. And also if I sell a couple of the shirts. Now the shirts, I'm not trying to make a huge effing profit off of them. I'm selling for roughly $20 shipped. And shipping is probably going to cost me $3 or $4 a shirt. And that's to the continental, to the 48 states. Anything else, like in Europe, is probably going to be a little bit more money. But you could easily just hit me up on my Instagram, which is Buffy CLK500. Just send me a DM and all that stuff, and I'll get a shirt right out to you. 90% of the time, like right when I get an order, I'll ship it out within 2 days, send you a tracking number and everything. This is going to be my first run of shirts. We'll see how it goes. See if people like the shirts, see if people don't like the shirts. And also with the Dragy, I might throw a couple, I got all these ND72 stickers, a lot of other random merchandise that people just give me to give away. I'll throw that in there with the win. So remember, so you get, so if you got to subscribe to my channel and you got to be following me on Instagram, which is Buffy CLK500. I'll put all that stuff in the description and put all that stuff. Remember my YouTube, you should know, is ND72. We're going to test this out on a couple vehicles. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're coming out to the CLK. It's been running. I've been driving around a little bit. So the car's all warmed up. It's nice and hot in here. Hooper, that's really burning in here right now. It's probably about, let's see, it is 98 degrees out. So I got the Dragy. Alright, so I got the Dragy. Literally what's cool about it, it's magnetic, so it just pops right on there. And then you just gotta turn it on. Hopefully, pretty sure this one's mine. I had it for a while. I still got, I don't remember the last time I even effing charged it. But you'll just pull up your phone and there's an app right there, Dragy. Sorry, my phone's all dirty. And you just go click it. Performance, blah, blah, blah. You just hit connect. pretty effing easy to connect. And then you'll see that light will go blue. And doing satellites, so on and so forth. It takes like a couple seconds to get it all like set up. And then you're all set. And then you start doing your runs. When the battery's low, it'll start turning red. And then this whole display that it gives you, it'll tell you, see, it's reading 86 degrees outside right now. It'll tell you some other fun stuff, like your feet, all that stuff, how much battery's left in it. So we're gonna go take this for a little run, and we'll see what happens. So right now I'm taking it to a little place in Mexico on this nice hot summer day. We're gonna do a couple hits. It won't be the best right now. This car, let me actually show that right here. So this car is really just stock. It's got the intake, and then the guy cut off the mufflers. But I'm pretty sure the cats or the resin air is all effing clogged up in there too, because it kind of bogs a little bit. But we're gonna just go see what it does, and then I'll start modding this car more. But today is just to go show you how the Dragys work. All right, let's go. Alright, so one of the other cool modes, I don't know if you can have to see this angle because of the sun, but it actually is recording right now. Once I hit record, and it'll show film of it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, maybe on that. I gotta like get a perfect angle because how effing the sun is. But I got on my little mount, so we're gonna go do some hits and just see what it does. Let me put these windows up. But with the windows down, this hot day, and with spinning, it looks like a 4.90 to 60 and 13.1 quarter mile. Not bad. We'll try to do one or two more hits, just see what else you can do with this. Alright, so we did that run. We're going to try one more run because I was spinning. So hopefully I got some heat in the tires. We're going to do it one more time and see what happens. So as you saw in that last video, I didn't come to a complete stop, so it didn't reset the counter, so the times it gave me were like, I think like 26 and stuff like that. But I've done a couple more runs after that one, and I'm getting like 4.80 to 60s, right at like 13.0, stuff like that for quarter mile. But even with this heat, and there's a little bit too many people on the road, I don't think I'm gonna get any better today, because it's on the car, it's reading 97 right now. So I'm gonna head back home, and I'll show you some more cool stuff with it. But just to close it out, all you gotta do is just close the app on your phone, and then if you still see it beeping, like over here, just pull it off, let it disconnect, and it'll shut off after a little bit. But pull them back into the house. Let's go let this thing cool off a little bit. Hey guys, hope you guys like that vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and every vehicle after that, I'll keep mentioning this and that and all that stuff for your chance to win the Dragy. And have a great day. Sit. Paw, lady. Sit. Paw.